Let's talk one term in English that has been commonly used. Full-fledged or full-fledged? Let's find it out. Hi to all our viewers and subscribers. This is Renette. Welcome to Teaching and Learning. If you want to watch more videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. One of the common mistakes that I sometimes hear is when a person asks me if I am a full-fledged or full-fledged master's degree holder. Which is which? Which one is correct? Full-fledged or full-fledged? Let's get started. Fledge is a rare verb meaning to care for a young bird until it's ready to fly. I will give you 3 possible definitions of the word full-fledged. The first one is fully developed or having reached maturity. For example, a full-fledged butterfly came to my yard. The second definition is completeness. I will give you an example. President Duterte promised to make a full-fledged evaluation report on the coronavirus cases. The third definition is having attained complete status. For example, I am a full-fledged teacher. My mom is a full-fledged doctor. This is the most common context in which the expression is used. Did you get the 3 definitions of the word full-fledged? All right. Let's go to the word pledge. The word pledge is simply an oath, a promise. It usually happens after passing the board exam, before you will be given a license. An oath is almost synonymous to a pledge. Why are there so many people get confused with the word full-fledged? It could be that there is no existing word as pledge, and pledge is more common. Or is it because you just made an oath and they think you should be fully committed to practice your profession? To be honest, as I tried to Google, there is no such word as full-fledged, only full-fledged. Now that you know the difference between the two, don't be confused with the meanings. So when a person is ready to practice or is already practicing his or her profession, we can simply call him or her as a full-fledged practitioner. Example, a full-fledged doctor or a full-fledged engineer. Or my professor is a full-fledged master's degree holder. That's it. P is P and F should be F. Did you get my point? I'm just kidding. Full-fledged and not full-fledged. Remember, there is no full-fledged, only full-fledged. I hope you learned something from this lesson. Happy learning! See you!